I wanted to show you today another Clever Fox product that I was sent by their company. It's let me open it up here, weekly meal planner. And I think this is a great idea because it helps with budgeting for buying your groceries, using up your food that you have on hand, the fresh produce, fruits and vegetables, meat, whatever it is, eggs, milk. If you write down each week what you plan to eat and then actually stick to that plan, you can use up all of your groceries in a way that helps you reduce your grocery budget. It keeps your budget in line so you don't waste money. So this is a beautiful blue color. I love it. And it has this strap that you can put inside to hold your place. It also has this fun little pen holder. And I'm gonna put my Queen Elizabeth pen that I got in London. Where is it? Right here. Right in here, so that you always have a pen handy. And it has some bookmarks, 3 different bookmarks where you can hold your place. So let's take a look inside real quick. This is more than just a weekly planner, a weekly meal planner. It has a starting point where you write down your measurements and weight, a goal that you want to reach, how you'll feel when you reach this goal, and steps to take to achieve the goal. So this could be writing down a menu that is good for your specific diet, which I'm just using the word diet as the food you eat. I don't mean going on a diet. I don't believe in dieting like that, but your diet is the food you eat. It also has room for an exercise plan and an exercise calendar. It has all of these months, more of them. There are 6 per page, so it's good for a year basically. And then you can write down your month and year. You don't have to start in January. You can just write October on here, or November, or whatever you're starting this. Your most important goals of the month, things you'll do to be better this month, right down here. And some of those are health and fitness, self-care, fun and recreation, body image, personal development, and spiritual. So, and then it has a monthly review where you can compare your measurements and weight from when you started at the beginning of the month. And a monthly review includes what were the biggest wins, how do I feel about my progress, which life areas were lacking and why. And it's those that I just mentioned: body image, personal development, self-care, fun and recreation, spiritual, and health and fitness. And how will I improve next month? So I think this is a great idea, and then it starts over for the next month and lets you write down in the back here your meals. So it goes through a week, starting on Monday, breakfast, lunch, dinner, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Then this week's priorities, healthy habits. You can check off, during each day what your habits were, and a place for your shopping list. So I think this is a great way to improve your health, help you stay on track with if you wanted to lose weight or just eat better in general. So thanks to Clever Fox for sending me this weekly meal planner. So check it out. I'm leaving a link below if you'd like to get one for yourself.